if you're a CEO or CMO, the most important shift in digital strategy is large language models and the impact that those are having on search. For 15 years, we've optimized for search engines. Today, today decisions are being shaped by AI systems like ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Claude, and Grok. They don't show links. They synthesize answers. They recommend brands. And if your company is not structured to be machine readable, retrievable, and decision ready, you are not part of the answer. And if you're not part of the answer, you're not part, you cannot take part in the decision making of your customers. Hi, I'm Dennis Stoffberg. I'm an AI visibility and decision strategy advisor with 15 years experience in performance marketing, SEO, CRO, and analytics, and growth strategy. I've worked at C-level to drive measurable revenue for clients. What I'm seeing at the moment is this: brands are still optimizing for clicks, while AI is shaping choices. Brands are also very focused on whether they cite it on AI systems. Most software companies focus on that because it's easy, right? You write prompts, the background, and it gives you information back. It's not that complicated. And so the market is driven on whether you cite it and so on. That's asking the wrong question. The right question is, are we shaping our brand narrative correctly? Are we answering the questions that matters most to our customers correctly? Are we building trust? Are we visible where it matters most? So on this YouTube channel, I will break down how to become visible inside AI answers, how to win the summarization layer, how to structure content for recommendations, how to measure AI influence and shape it at executive level, how to prevent competitors from being synthesized ahead of you, and much more. There's a lot of content coming. This isn't about traffic, it's about influence. Because when AI misrepresents you or your brand, you don't lose traffic, you lose decisions. If you care about future demand, category leadership, and strategic defensibility in an AI-driven market, subscribe to this channel. Because the brands that adapt first will control the narrative, and the ones that don't will be summarized by competitors. Welcome to the AI Visibility Strategy channel.